Have you ever stopped to wonder about the cycle of day and night? It's a phenomenon that we often take for granted, yet it is one of the most fundamental aspects of our existence. Every morning the sun rises, casting its golden light across the landscape, and every evening it sets, giving way to the cool, tranquil darkness of night. This daily cycle is so ingrained in our lives that we rarely pause to consider the intricate dance of celestial bodies that makes it all possible. It's a fundamental part of our existence here on Earth. The cycle of day and night not only dictates our daily routines, but also influences the natural world in profound ways. Plants, animals, and even the weather are all affected by this rhythmic pattern. The interplay of light and shadow shapes the behavior of countless species, guiding their activities and survival strategies. The sun rises, bringing light and warmth, and then sets, making way for the darkness and coolness of night. This transition is not just a simple change in illumination, it is a complex process that affects everything from the temperature of the air to the behavior of nocturnal creatures. As the sun climbs higher in the sky, its rays become more direct, warming the earth and driving the processes of photosynthesis in plants. When it sets, the cooling air signals the end of the day for many creatures and the beginning of the night for others. This constant interplay of light and shadow is a cosmic dance that has fascinated humans for centuries. Ancient civilizations built monuments and developed calendars based on their observations of the sun's movements. They understood that the cycle of day and night was crucial for agriculture, navigation, and even religious practices. The alignment of structures like Stonehenge and the pyramids with the solstices and equinoxes is a testament to the importance of this celestial dance in human history. But what exactly causes day and night? The answer lies in the fascinating realm of astronomy and the movements of our planet. Our understanding of this phenomenon has evolved over millennia, from the early geocentric models to the heliocentric model proposed by Copernicus. Today, we know that the cycle of day and night is a result of Earth's rotation on its axis. The answer lies in the fascinating realm of astronomy and the movements of our planet. Earth rotates on its axis, an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. This rotation takes approximately 24 hours to complete, giving us one full day. As Earth spins, different parts of its surface move into and out of the sun's light, creating the cycle of day and night. It's not the sun moving around Earth, as ancient civilizations once believed. Early astronomers like Ptolemy proposed that Earth was the center of the universe and that all celestial bodies, including the sun, revolved around it. This geocentric model was widely accepted for centuries until the revolutionary work of Copernicus, Galileo, and Kepler provided evidence for a heliocentric system, where Earth and other planets orbit the sun. Instead, it's Earth itself that's constantly spinning, like a top in the vastness of space. This rotation is what gives us the cycle of day and night. As Earth rotates, the side facing the sun experiences daylight, while the opposite side is shrouded in darkness. This simple yet profound motion is responsible for the daily rhythm that governs life on our planet. This rotation is what gives us day and night, creating a rhythm to life that is as fundamental as the beating of our own hearts. The cycle of day and night influences everything from our sleep patterns to the migration of animals. It is a constant reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet and the intricate balance that sustains life. Join me as we delve deeper into the science behind this everyday phenomenon and explore the wonders of Earth's place in the cosmos. We will uncover the mysteries of our planet's rotation, the impact of the sun's light, and the ways in which this celestial dance has shaped life on Earth. Together, we will journey through time and space to understand the profound significance of the dance of light and shadow. Earth is in constant motion. This motion is not just a simple journey through space, It is a complex dance that involves multiple movements. It orbits the sun, but it also spins on its own axis, an imaginary line passing through the North and South poles. This axis is tilted, which is why we have seasons. This spinning is what we call Earth's rotation. It takes approximately 24 hours for the Earth to complete one full rotation, which is why we have a 24-hour day. Imagine Earth as a basketball spinning on your finger. Just like the basketball, Earth spins smoothly and continuously. As the Earth rotates, different parts of the planet face the sun. This is why we experience day and night. When your location on Earth faces the sun, it is daytime for you. The side of Earth facing the sun experiences daylight, while the side facing away experiences night. This cycle repeats every 24 hours, giving us a predictable pattern of light and darkness. This rotation is continuous, causing the cycle of day and night that we all experience. Without this rotation, one side of the Earth would be in perpetual daylight, while the other side would be in constant darkness. It's like a giant merry-go-round with different parts taking turns, being in the spotlight of the sun. This rotation also affects the weather and climate patterns on Earth. This continuous spin is a fundamental property of our planet and is essential for life as we know it. It influences everything from the flow of ocean currents to the way we measure time. Understanding Earth's rotation helps us appreciate the delicate balance that makes life on our planet possible. Although we know it's Earth that's rotating, it certainly appears as if the sun moves across the sky throughout the day. We see it rise in the east, slowly climb higher, and then set in the west. This apparent movement of the sun is an illusion caused by Earth's rotation. As Earth spins, our perspective changes. It's like watching a car race from the stands. The cars seem to move in relation to our fixed viewpoint. Similarly, as Earth rotates, the sun appears to move across the sky, even though it's our own movement that creates this effect. This illusion is so convincing that it took centuries of scientific observation and deduction to understand the true nature of Earth's movement. Section 4. Earth's speed and direction. A closer look. Earth spins on its axis at an impressive speed of roughly 1,000 miles per hour or 1,600 kilometers per hour. This rapid rotation is a fascinating aspect of our planet's dynamics. Imagine standing at the equator where this speed is most pronounced. You would be traveling at a velocity that is hard to fathom, yet we remain blissfully unaware of this incredible motion. That's faster than the speed of sound. To put it into perspective, the speed of sound is about 767 miles per hour or 1,235 kilometers per hour. So Earth's rotation outpaces even the swiftest sound waves. This comparison highlights just how extraordinary our planet's rotation truly is. But because we're spinning along with the planet, we don't feel this motion. Our daily lives continue uninterrupted as we are seamlessly carried along by Earth's rotation. This phenomenon is a testament to the incredible balance and harmony of our planet's natural systems. The direction of Earth's rotation is counterclockwise when viewed from above the North Pole. This counterclockwise spin is a defining feature of our planet's movement, influencing everything from weather patterns to ocean currents. This is why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. As Earth rotates, different parts of the planet are exposed to the sun's light, creating the cycle of day and night that we experience. This daily rhythm is a fundamental aspect of life on Earth, governing everything from our sleep patterns to the behavior of plants and animals. It's also why we observe the stars seemingly moving across the night sky. As Earth rotates, the stars appear to travel in arcs, creating the beautiful star trails that we can observe on clear nights. This apparent motion of the stars is a direct result of our planet's rotation. This constant eastward spin is a fundamental characteristic of our planet, and it plays a crucial role in shaping our planet's climate, weather patterns, and the very rhythm of life itself. The rotation of Earth affects wind patterns, ocean currents, and even the distribution of heat across the planet. It is a driving force behind the complex and dynamic systems that sustain life on Earth. Understanding Earth's rotation helps us appreciate the delicate balance that makes our planet so unique and vibrant. Section 5, 24 hours, our time with the sun. It takes approximately 24 hours for Earth to complete one full rotation on its axis. This period is what we call a day. During this time, we experience a cycle of daylight and darkness. The length of a day is determined by the time it takes for a specific point on Earth to rotate back to the same position relative to the sun. This 24-hour cycle is the foundation of our timekeeping system and is fundamental to how we organize our lives. Section 6. Tilted Earth. Seasons and shifting day lengths. Earth's axis isn't perfectly straight up and down. It's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is what gives us our seasons and causes the length of days and nights to vary throughout the year. During summer in a hemisphere, that hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, receiving more direct sunlight and experiencing longer days. Conversely, during winter, the hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, resulting in shorter days and less direct sunlight. This tilt is responsible for the beautiful variations in weather patterns and the cycle of life that we observe throughout the year. Without it, our planet would be a very different place.